So today we are jig trolling. We've got low flow in the river here. Perfect setup for jig trolling where you're pulling the jigs downstream just a little bit faster than the current. For this setup, what I've found is that I like to run 2 of my vertical jigging rods off the bow of the boat, which in this case it's a 6/8 medium heavy extra fast rod. You've heard me talk a lot about the extra fast rod for vertical jigging. Of course, I love that Revo Rocket high gear ratio reel. Makes it really nice to pick up on the line when you set the hook. The other setup that we're using is a 7'2" medium light fast rod with monofilament. This is the rod that we're running the lighter jigs off of in the back. The monofilament plays a very key role in it, but you want that medium light setup to absorb a lot of the shock because you're essentially dragging that jig across the bottom. So for any sort of long lining jig trolling or long lining dragging technique, I like that medium light fast rod.